everyone! Today we'll be making a fun and useful electronic device cover. This cover will help protect your device between classes and while you're putting it in your tote bag. So this cover that we sew is going to be custom made to your device. As a reminder, these videos that I've created are just a supplement to all the written and given directions provided in class. So please make sure to check with your written directions. Pay attention in class, check with your classmates if you get stuck on any part, and then always use these videos as a backup. The first thing we're going to do, though, to get started on our electronic device cover is we're going to first measure our device. Alright, let's get started measuring. For an electronic device cover, we're going to need 4 main panels. To figure out the main panels, we're going to have to take the width plus height and add 2 inches. Times the length plus height plus 2 inches. So let's start with that width, or the crossed body measurement. We're going to line it up, make sure it's nice and straight. I'm coming up with 9.5 inches with my width. I'm going to add that to my height. My height is coming up with approximately 3/4 of an inch. So 9.5 plus 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to add 2 more inches. So my width of my body panels are going to be 12.25 inches. I'm now going to do my length measurement. So my overall length measurement is coming up at about 3 3/4. I'm going to add that to the height. If you remember what the height was, it was 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to add 2 inches to that. So 13 3/4 plus 3/4 plus 2. My overall length of the panel will be 16.5. So I'm going to be cutting 4 16.5 by 12.25 panels. Next, I also need to make my measurement for my pocket. So I'm going to need 2 panels for the pocket. To figure out my panels, I'm going to take that length measurement, which I earlier got 13 3/4. I'm going to take 2/3 of that measurement, and then I'm going to add that to my height, plus add 2 inches. Now, it's kind of an odd amount, so I'm going to actually round down. I'm going to be rounding down to 11 inches. So with a seam allowance, my pocket will come up to a good portion of my Chromebook. And then the last 2 measurements is just for the flap. For the flap, you will need to measure 2 flap pieces of 4 by 6 inches. Those are not custom. Everybody will have the same size flap for that piece.